Hello, I'm going to show you how you can get bump up bot, like constantly bots, constantly bumping, like this one I have. Like you see, every 2 hours and 15 minutes, if you notice exactly, I have to add 15 minutes so you will not get banned from disboard. So all you have to do is to join my server here. You will see everything you need to know. Here's the announcement. We explain everything about this bot. Also, yeah, I should create channel proof for the bots, for the pumping. You can get also trial if you are not satisfied yet. You can get trial for free. I'll give you 1 day trial to test it on your server. So basically I'll send you a bot that will pump up your server every 2 hours and 15 minutes. So it's simple and easy. And if you're satisfied, you can get this for very cheap, $5 a month or $40 a year with up to 3 servers. I used to do this bot I created and I coded it myself. I do it for more than a year, then I thought why to give people a try. So yeah, it's really good and reliable. Basically gets me a lot of members here. See, welcome members here. It gives me 5 to 11 members every day, so it's really helpful to grow my community here. I have also almost 1,000. The good thing about this server, about this bot, it's really give you real members. This is what I want to say. Those are real members, are not bots or something. So if you go here, you can see that they have more than years or months in this since they create their account, so you can say they are real members. You can join my Discord server, link in description, and if you want it, just create a ticket here. Click here to create a ticket, or add me in Discord, and we'll discuss everything in chats. Thank you very much. See you later.